Hello everyone. Now we are going to say about liability classifications of loyalty. Okay, on completion of this video, students will be able to explain what liability and loyalty, and also explain what are the classifications of loyalty. The concept of liability. Liability for one's action means that one can rightly be made to pay for the adverse effects of one's action on others. Automobile liability insurance is intended to cover the cost of damage to other person or property. We are usually liable for such payments as long as we are casually responsible, even if our actions were unintentional. Liability does not necessarily involve a moral responsibility for the action. Okay, legal liabilities versus moral liabilities. The essential characteristics of liability responsibility demonstrate its limitations as a legitimate response in many areas of engineering, technology, and science. Example: nuclear technology, biotechnology, nanotechnology, artificial intelligence. Next one is loyalty. It is a faithful adherence to an organization and the employer. Loyalty to an employer can be either of the two types: agency loyalty, attitude loyalty. Agency loyalty is acting to fulfill one's contractual duties to an employer. This is entirely a matter of action, such as doing one's job and not stealing from one's employer, irrespective of the motive behind it. Attitude loyalty. Attitude loyalty has a lot to do with attitudes, emotions, and a sense of personal identity, as it does with actions. It can be understood that people who work grudgingly and spitefully are not loyal, in spite of the facts that they may adequately perform all their work responsibilities and hence manifest agency loyalty. Collegiality is the term that describes a work environment where responsibilities and authorities are shared among the colleagues. When engineering codes of ethics mention collegiality, they generally cite acts that constitute disloyalty. The disloyalty of professionals towards an organization reflect the attitude they have towards the work environment, for the salaries they are paid, and trust the company has for them. The National Society of Professional Engineers Code, for example, states that engineers shall not attempt to injure, maliciously or falsely, directly or indirectly, the professional reputations, prospect, practice, or employment of other engineers. So, engineers who believe others are guilty of unethical or illegal practice shall present such information to the proper authority for action. So, the main fact that they maintain harmony among members at a workplace. So that are respect and commitment and connectedness. So in the detail, the colleagues are to be respected for their work and contribution towards the organization goals, and should be valued for their professional expertise and their dedications towards the social goods promoted by the profession. Commitment observed in the sense of sharing devotion to moral ideals inherent in the one's profession, the coordination among all the members at the workplace, or the awareness of participating in cooperative project based on the shared commitments and mutual support also encourages the quality of the work. That's all. Thank you.